Hi everybody, my name is Ash Brown and I am the Knowledge Exchange and Learning Coordinator at the Ecosystem Restoration Communities Foundation, which is a team of people that offer services to the ecosystem restoration communities movement. And I'm so excited to be welcoming you to the Restoration Circle, which is our online collaboration, learning, communication, knowledge exchange hub where everyone and anyone who has been involved in the ERC movement can come and connect with each other, can teach and learn from each other to forward our mission to restore the earth in community. So I wanted to give you a quick tour around the space and show you what you can do here. So this area here is called community, and everyone who is part of the Restoration Circle can join the community space. And the types of people that will be invited here are ERC leaders, ERC donors, ERC volunteers, ERC staff, supervisory board, advisory council, students, alumni, and just general supporters. So all of those people will be invited and added to community, where you can introduce yourself, make sure you create really thorough profiles so that you can find one another really easily. There'll be a space where we can share, as the Ecosystem Restoration Foundation, updates with you about what's going on at the foundation and within the movement so that you're up to date. There's a live chat function. Groundwork feed is where you can update the movement on the work that you're doing on the ground so that we can really feel the hope and the momentum of this mass movement across the world. And another important thing to show you is the members directory. So these are all of the members that are currently on Circle, and this will only grow and get bigger over time. And you can see everyone's lovely faces, and you can filter so that you can find people based on different information. One of the key ones being I am knowledgeable about. So when you fill in your profile, you'll tick all of the things that you're knowledgeable about. So let's have a look and see who's knowledgeable about earthworks. Here are all the people that are knowledgeable about earthworks so that you can reach out to them, ask them your questions, invite them to chat with you using text or video, which is a really awesome function. Yeah, there are many different ways that you can filter through these people and find who you're looking for collaboration. Another really great feature of the Restoration Circle is the online courses. So our signature course is called the Roadmap Training, and we created the Roadmap Training because we wanted to show you, we wanted to share with you the institutional knowledge that we have as a foundation. So there are 12 lessons, and each one covers a different element that you need to think about when you're creating your own restoration community or when you're furthering the goals of your restoration community, such as creating a legal entity, finding land to restore, creating a team. I won't go through all of them now, but please check that out. Everybody who's added to Circle will be added here, and you can go through the materials at your heart's content. This is what it looks like. You can hit play to watch the video. Here's a point to think about. When you've watched the lesson, you can put complete lesson so that we can see who's moving forward at what time. And then there's also the chat function, so you can talk to other students about the roadmap training. And there's also a forum as well where you can see, you can create posts based on the different topics that have been covered so that you can discuss them. This area here is just for ERC leaders, and it has very similar functionality. So we'll write to you about funding opportunities. You can chat to the other ERC leaders. You can see who is an ERC leader in the directory. You can ask the Ecosystem Restoration Foundation anything that you want to know about from us. You can write if you have a specific collaboration that you're interested in discussing with others. You can create your own event. And events are based on whatever topic you want to discuss, really. Anyone can start an event. We have a kick-off event on the 3rd of December. And these are online meetings, but they can also be placeholders for in-person meetings as well. So, for instance, if you want to schedule an event, you can go down to Go Live here at the bottom. And on Circle, you have two different types of video calling function. You have Live Room, which is like a Zoom room. But the majority, the max number of people you can have in a room at any one time is 50 people. But you use this just like you would use Zoom. Everyone who is in the room can participate, and that's the best for discussions. And then live stream is like a webinar. So you're broadcasting, and you can have up to 1,000 people in that one. And if you want to schedule one of those two, you click schedule there and run through it. So we're really, really excited about the Restoration Circle and everything that it can bring to us. So welcome, please fill out your profile, please introduce yourself, start using the groundwork feed to share with us what you've been up to. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. I'm very, very excited to be using this space with you. Goodbye.